Hello, we are Alex and Jeremy, two of the group members for the roller coaster project.
We have made an elaborate roller coaster representing the journey to the moon, one of the greatest events in American history.
I hope you enjoy the rest of this presentation.
I am Larry, the third member of our group. We will tell you the history of roller coasters.
The first origin of roller coasters is St. Petersburg, Russia, where someone was taken down a 70-foot icy slope.
The Mach-Chunk Railway was built to move coal, but in 1870, it was a tourist attraction.
Philo Stevens built a circular railway in Chicago, where the name roller coaster was first made in 1883.
As roller coasters progressed, high-speed roller coasters were made, and in the 1920s, it started the age of roller coasters, where close to 2,000 roller coasters were built.
The 1940s to 60s brought a depression to roller coasters, until 1972, when the Wooden Kings Island Racer in Ohio was built.
Roller coasters now are much more complex.
And now we will tell you the supplies for our roller coaster.
So easily the measure of the night.
I'm Aaron, the fourth and final member of our roller coaster group. And
We are going to tell you what supplies we use to make our roller coaster.
to make our roller coaster, we used PVC pipe, paper towel rolls, toilet paper rolls. We also used wrapping paper rolls, Gorilla Tape. We used blue, silver, and red duct tape, and a small American flag.
We also used toothpicks, some popsicle sticks, a couple dowels, pipe insulator for the tracks, a plastic cup, a box, an earth cutout, and some star stickers.
Now we're going to show you how we built our roller coaster.
Around the night. Oh, it is what it is.
After collecting supplies for our roller coaster, we cut the pipe insulator in half and used that as our main track and manipulated it to make loops and hills and such.
At our beginning, it goes down into a loop which is supported by a beam.
Afterwards, it goes up a small hill which the side is protected by popsicle sticks so the marble doesn't fall off. Then it goes into another loop which is supported by a large paper towel roll.
Then it goes down to our barrel roll, where it finishes with a hill on the ground and rolls into the cut.
Now we'll talk to you about the math we use to construct
The
our roller
measure
coaster.
of the night is a measure of love.
While designing our roller coaster, we use mathematics to ensure a fun and safe ride.
We found the slope of each of the hills. The slope is equal to delta y over delta x, or the change in y per unit of x. The greater the slope is, the steeper the hill is. We have to have a slope large enough that the ride is fun, but not too steep because then the ride will not be safe.
We also found the circumference of the loop. The circumference is equal to twice the radius times pi. A loop with a larger circumference needs more momentum. Otherwise, it will not be enough to complete the loop.
Without using math, the construction of a roller coaster cannot be possible.
Next, we will tell you the historical significance of our roller coaster.
Not only was our roller coaster made for fun, but it also has a historical significance.
In the 60s, President John F. Kennedy promised the Americans that there would be men on the moon before the end of the decade.
On July 20th, 1969, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon.
Not only was this a famous event in space exploration, but it marked their victory over the Soviets in the space race.
Our roller coaster depicts the journey to the moon, made by the Americans.
Hope is what remains.
I'm Alex.
I'm Jeremy.
I'm Larry.
And I'm Aaron.
And thank you for watching our roller coaster presentation. Woohoo! Yay!